Good morning, students. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of information technology for business. So the main objective of this course is, so through this course, you will be learning about the various technology as well as the various system, the components and the procedure, the techniques, the methodology. Okay, with the help of the IS and IT, how it is adapted by the various sectors and how those things will be helpful for the organization to take a decisions and also to predict certain things in the future. So with this, through this, you're going to learn about how this information system and its subsystem, right, as well as the components resource which is used for IT sector is how it's going to help for the companies to take a effective decision. And also you'll be learning about how to do a analysis with the help of the data sets by using a spreadsheet, which is also called as an Excel. So in this subject, we'll be having five chapters. In the chapter one, we'll be learning about the basic fundamentals of what is information system and what is information technology. So in the first unit, you'll be learning, right, what is the basic difference between information system and information technology and how those information technology are helpful for organizations for various processes like for their business operation as well as to undergo a decision support system and also to process the data or enter the data, right, or with the help of the various technology or by using various softwares, how uh, data administrator or software engineer or the IT managers is going to involve in various activities and also for planning and as well as to frame a strategy for organizations with the help of the software as well as the other IT resource. So here in this chapter regarding this, we'll be having a basic quiz regarding IT and IS and also we'll be providing a case study as well as the students can select any food retail sectors or any IT companies, and then they can present how IS and IT has been adopted by those sectors. And the second chapter, you will be learning about the subsystem of IS. So what do you mean by the subsystem? So you have the entire IT as well as IS framework in your company, but it is not like all this IS framework is common to all the departments. In each and every department, they have their own model. So here, under this subsystem of information system, a company which adopts a specific technology or specific softwares or specific uh, IS resource or components for a transaction purpose, right? It comes under the TPS. Suppose companies has to record all the data and they have to process all the data and information for the various activities. They may use a MIS, Management Information System. And but with the help of the data as well as the help of the information, what is already available in the database of the company. And with that database, right, is this data or information can be processed and can be uh, act as a source for taking decisions for the future. So like that, there are many subsystems out there in the IT sector, right? Decision support system, right? And also group decision support system and a specific IS resource or the components, right? Accessed by the executives in the different levels according to their domain. And about the export system, how the export system is able to work, right? With the help of the technology as well as the method and how all these subsystems are very, very important for the companies in an effective decision making. All right. And in this, you'll be having a hands-on training on how transaction processing takes place, right, with the help of the technology. And also students can give a technical presentation about how an EIS and GDS works in the company. What kind of a free open source software or any paid softwares or any online forums or portals are there for working with this GDS and EIS. And also we can have a model simulations regarding the export system and its applications in various fields. And continuing to this third chapters, we'll be learning about exclusively on DBMS, which is called Database Management System. Right. So in this database management system, we'll be learning about a different database model because the data cannot be accessed only by a one authorized person or can be given access for multiple persons. It's all depend upon the domain. It's all depend upon the level. So according to the levels of the organizations, according to the hierarchical level, you have a different types of database models where it can be accessed only by the authorized user or it can be given permission to a multiple user. And how about this advantages and disadvantages of DBMS? And in DBMS, the important thing is data warehouse and data mining. How a database can be uh, maintained by the organization is with the help of the data warehouse because data warehouse is a only a source for the organizations to collect the various information data from the different sources, and those data can be processed, can be converted, right, can be changed the format into a in the different way, okay, according to the needs of the administrator or user. And with the help of the data warehouse, if you want to filter, if you want to take only a few set of data or only a few type of data, you can apply a data mining techniques where it is used to extract the data, right, according to your needs. And with the help of this, how Microsoft Access will be helpful for accessing the database. So you can create n number of database in the Microsoft Access. With the help of those data sets, right, you can able to extract only a certain information about the particular employee or particular students or whatever it is. So for that purpose, you'll be learning about how to create a database, how you can generate the table management, retail management, as well as you will be having hands-on training session on MS Access. And the fourth chapter, what you're going to learn is it is exclusively about the Excel. So how you have to work with the database data sets by using a spreadsheet or Excel. So here, this fourth unit is going to be a completely is going to be hands-on training. So here I'm going to explain you what is called spreadsheet and what is called Excel. In Excel, what are things that you need to know basically when you start entering the data and analyze the data. So here you'll be learning about the concept called cell reference, how to format each and every cells, how to do the validation of the data what you're entering, how you can protect the entire worksheet, and also how to apply the conditional formatting, right, in order to highlight or in order to show the difference of the data sets. And also with the help of the data, how you can able to prepare a chart or a graph for a graphical representation. And you can use a what if analysis in order to update the data in order to find out, in order to change a certain pattern of the data, right? And also you can learn about the various financial functions like net present value, internal rate of returns, right? Payment of loan, all these things, right? And also you'll be having a H lookup function, V lookup function, some mathematical functions like sum, count, as well as text function.